Moving on, I actually bought 2 of these. So that's kind of one thing I believe I mentioned earlier about the stickers from Amazon, that you know, as much as I love these charms, they only bring 1 of each. So if you want to do like 2 hands, you're gonna have to, you know, buy like 2 you're gonna have to buy 2 of them. So these are just, or zodiac sign or whatever they're called. I'm not really into those things, but honestly I bought these for me last year for my birthday to do some Cancer sign nails, and I was looking everywhere for these guys and I couldn't find them at the time. So I saw that Shein had them and I said, you know what, I'm gonna buy them and I'm gonna keep the Cancer ones for me. But they are pretty long, so especially for Aquarius or Sagittarius, whatever, it would definitely have to be longer nails. I literally fell in love with these. I have been looking for these as well. I found the pack on Amazon, but they were like $20. And I was like, I'm not paying $20 for no nail charms. So I got these for Valentine's as well. I got these and I got them in pink as well, but I'll show you those later on. So these were about like $150 as well, and they're pretty shiny. Like, to be honest, for them to be so cheap, they are really shiny. So moving on, these are butterflies. Take out 2. Oh, these are a little heavy. These have been the heaviest ones yet. So these are some gold butterflies with silver rhinestones, which are super cute, and I probably will use these more than the silver ones. So they are pretty much the size of your nail, but of course I feel like these will look better with longer nails. Moving on, we have some little roses. So I also bought these for Valentine's. I figured we could do some hearts with some roses, something cute. They had different colors of these as well. I believe they had silver and, if I'm not mistaken, pink, but I figured might as well stick with the gold theme. So these are the pink hearts that I was just saying that were the same as the red ones. So these are very cute as well. You could use them for a Valentine's set. You could use them for any set that you like. So it's gold, pink, and I believe the rhinestones around are silver. So really cute, very shiny. These 2 are the same, and these are the same as the silver snakes, except that these are supposed to be gold. So honestly, from the top they look the same, but if you flip them, that's where the color is. So I bought 2 of those. They were $1 each. So these are the ones that I have been eyeballing as well on Amazon. So I've been really liking these. It brings 5 different colors, and I believe it's 10 of them, maybe 12, I'm not too sure. So you have your red, your blue, your green, your regular white, and the AB crystal. All right, so I feel like these are cuter than the silver, but it just could be because I like gold more than silver. But they're super cute. I kind of wish I would have gotten the bigger ones as well, but I didn't know that there was bigger ones till I saw the video that I saw. So I probably will go back and get them. All right, so the next one are these maple leaves. I found this to be so funny. But for those of you that know what this is, you guys know. So I definitely had to get these for when 420 comes around. I will be prepared. They're super cute. I believe they had these in silver as well, and it also brings 10 in a pack, so super cute. Okay, moving on. I don't know why I got these. These are so plain. If something is not super glamorous, I don't usually buy it, but I guess I bought these for Valentine's, for if somebody wanted a more simpler look. But these are just little golden hearts with nothing in the middle. What you could do with these is probably put like a very small rhinestone in the middle, probably. So they're not that bad. I'll probably end up doing that. Moving on, look how cute these are. So these are I love you charms. So it literally has the eye and then a little heart, you. So super cute for Valentine's. Then we have these guys, which are the same as the other ones, the crystals. So I believe these are probably the same colors as the other one. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably the same colors, so we'll just keep it at that. So super cute, super shiny. All right, so we have two more, which are bears. Where is this open? Ah, damn. So I wanted to do the little bears because I saw long hair pretty nails doing, but I saw her doing these nails with the bears, so I figured why not try them. I'm trying to show you all the colors that it brings. These are all the colors, super cute. So we got blue, purple, orange, green, yellow, pink, and red, which are super cute. All right, last but not least of the charms, we have the little sugared bears, the little ombre sugared bears. So I definitely needed to get these. I could do like a little ombre set. Oh, there's a lot of purple. These literally look like the gummy bears that you buy like to eat. It's so funny. They feel a little sugary, which is cute. So I feel like I like these better, honestly. I got these little dragon stickers. I'm not gonna take them out, which I could have sworn I had bought the red ones. Oh, wait a minute. I guess it's two colors. Okay, yeah, so no, it is the red stickers. It's just that the other side is gold. So I bought these because I've seen a lot of sets with these as well that looked so beautiful. So I wanted to try them as well. All right. And last but not least, we have some butterfly stickers. So I have other butterfly stickers, but I didn't have like these gold ones. I feel like these gold ones look so nice when they reflect. And I got some silver ones as well. So hopefully you can see them. So these two are the same. It brings a gold and a silver pack. And then these two are also the same. And it's a silver and a gold pack. All right. So guys, that is it for my Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and any questions, like I said, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will try to link everything possible. I'm gonna try to link it the same order that I did everything in the video, but if not, I'm 100% sure everything will be in the description box below. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, before exiting, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys enjoy this type of content, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know. Also, like I had mentioned in the previous video, let me guys know if you guys enjoy these voiceover videos or if you would just rather me show the product, because I know some of you sometimes get tired of hearing another person's voice. At least I'm like that. But yeah, guys, and of course, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share. See you guys in the next one. Bye.